Hey guys, Chris Busa here, and I wanted to make this video mainly for Ray I seen on the Facebook group, but for anybody else that's having problems. I saw some people having problems getting Kevin's capture pages up and running and how to use them. So I'm in Composer right now, and this is a free app. Actually, let me show you that real quick. Just let's go to a new tab here. Just search in Google Composer, with a Z, Composer with a Z, and it's composer.net, and you can just click here and download Composer. It's a free HTML editor. I know someone else said they had NVU, which is the same exact thing as this, alright? It's identical. I don't think NVU's around anymore. Composer's the new thing. And like I said, it's free. So just download it. For Windows, I don't know if they have it for Macs. So if you're on a Mac, I don't have a Mac, so I don't know. You just need basically a WYSIWYG web page editor, so look for free WYSIWYG page editors for Macs. If you're on a Mac. Alright, so let's go back. So I already downloaded these capture pages, so let me just find them. We're going to go to Open File, Open up at the top, and then we're going to go where I saved these, all in my templates. Alright, so we have FB capture page 1. Alright, there's that one, and then we'll open the other one up. FB capture page 2. Okay, here we go. So, first things first, if you guys are trying to, obviously you want to make sure this lead capture goes to your autoresponder. So what we need to do is come down here to where it says source. Click into source. We're going to see the source code. Don't let this scare you. We're going to scroll down until we find, let's see. Alright, here it is. Aweber form generator. Alright, so this is Kevin's Aweber form in here. Now what I did is I went ahead already in my Aweber account and I created a web form and I grabbed my raw HTML code like I was going to install my form. Now we don't need a bunch of this code. We're just going to take some things out of it really. So I just copy and paste it into a text document. It looks pretty scary right now. So I'm just going to scroll all the way down to here. Basically where it says this, you'll see the separator. You'll see the style, and then it says form post. Alright, so I'm just going to get everything, just to shorten this up a bit so you guys can see. Here, let me get rid of that some more. Alright, basically I'm just gonna get rid of it from here down. Okay, this is really all we need, is this information in here. These input fields. We need the meta web form ID. We need the split ID. There's actually nothing. We need the list name. Alright, so let's go back. We can see, here's the action, Aweber scripts add lead. That's the action to add the lead as far as Aweber is concerned. So if you're using another service, then you got to put that there, whatever their thing is. All right. So Aweber is like the most user friendly out there, and everybody uses it. So I'm sure all you guys are using it. So we need to put in this our meta web form ID. So let's grab that. We will grab that, copy, come over here, and paste that in. Now actually all my stuff's already in here, but we will see the next one, list name, and then put them on whatever the list name is you guys have. List name. So you just copy and paste that into here. And then what's the next one? Value redirect. So it's the URL that is going to redirect it to. And then also there's the redirect, this long string too. You're going to have to put that in there too. So we can see the redirect string right here and the redirect URL. All right, that's very important, the redirect URL, where you want them redirected after they opt in, okay? And what's very cool is you can actually go in here without even going into Aweber and just change this out and hit save, and it will start redirecting to there, all right? And again, you're going to have to put it in right here. And I think that's it. Let's see. There's an add tracking value if you want to add the add tracking value. Let's see, add tracking. Thought I just saw it somewhere. I do not see it. It really doesn't matter. That's all you have to fill in this form. Everything else is done for you, the CSS and the coding or whatever. That's all you have to do is replace those things that I just showed you. Okay, so your form will be up and going, and all you have to do is come up here. So this is maybe where you had problems or someone has problems. You want to come to save as. And then this is the thing, it's automatically save type. I don't know if yours is doing this, but save type. We want to just make sure it's on all files, okay? And then FB capture page 2. We'll just save that. I know it already exists, but there. Okay, so that's saved. That's done. Kevin already did most of the work for us on this page. I mean, obviously, if you guys want to change up the text, put in a picture of you, you guys can do all that. But so next thing is we want to get this page live, right? So I'm in my FTP, okay, and I'm using FileZilla. Again, Google FileZilla. Download it. It's free. And this is basically my pages over here that are on my computer. And then here's my hosting account, okay? These are my, I'm actually under my domain name, copypasteprofit.org. So this is my domain, all the folders and all the files are in my domain name. So you were asking, someone asked about an extension, how to create an extension. For this case, I'm going to be putting this squeeze page on an existing domain I already have. I already have WordPress installed on my copypasteprofit.org, but I want to create an extension. So what I'm going to do is just over here, and I'm going to right click. Even though this file is highlighted, it does not matter. I'm going to go create directory. And what this is doing, as you can see, copy, paste, profit, / and this is a directory. This is essentially just a folder we are creating on that domain name. So this could be Kevin, just for purposes, all right? So Kevin. Now I'm going to scroll down and find Kevin. Here's the folder. It just created the folder. Kevin. We'll open that up, and you can see the folder is empty. Nothing is in there. All right, we're going to take that FB capture page 2 and upload it over there. All right. Now you'll see it's FB capture page 2. Okay, .html. If we wanted to, how do we get to this URL now? We can click on it and then right click, copy URL to clipboard. Let me just put this in here. It's going to look a little, let me get rid of that now. That's gone. Okay, this is going to look a little ugly to you because this is my whole public HTML. Basically, you got to just get rid of everything over here. So it's a clean looking URL. You'll see just whatever your URL is, the folder it's in, and then the page it's in, okay, or the page it's named, right? All right, so, and then we just add the HTTP : // There you go. There's a clean URL. Let's test this thing out. Put it in the browser. And boom, there we go. Okay, so that's live. That's how quick you can get it live. Next thing is, I wanted to show you is, we don't want this. I mean, you can have this name like this, but normally what we'll do is, let's just say this was the only one in here. We just name it index and then hit enter and it will save it. Alright, we don't even have to go to that long string URL anymore. This is what you do. Come up to the top and all you gotta do is go to copypasteprofit.org. If you named it index inside that folder, all you gotta do is just go to that folder. So /Kevin, boom, and then it just goes. That's what it's going to show now. So I don't know why you just name it index and it will automatically go to there. But if we put another one, index 1, you'll have to go to index 1. So if I'm testing some squeeze pages or something, I'll just name one index, then the next one index 01, then the next one index 02, and I'll have all those URLs, and I'll just use that different URL. But like I said, if you go to the just this directory you created, it's only going to pull up the one that's called index.html, none of the other ones, if that makes any sense to you. Next thing is, I think someone asked about putting a video in here. So let me just use this other one because it's a better example. Let me get rid of Kevin here. And then what I'm going to do is I always do this because you got to go into the source code and it's kind of hard to look through all that. I'm just going to do some number signs, some number symbols, like that. To make it even longer, it really doesn't matter, just so I can go find this in the source code. Okay, so next thing is we need a video to embed in here, right? So let me pop over to YouTube real quick, and this is a video I put up. I'm just gonna go to share or embed this video, and I'm gonna go to embed, and I don't think we want the iframe. We want use old code for this one. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the whole code. And there we go, it's copied. Come back here. Okay, now we gotta go find this. So we'll go to source. And we're gonna look for that. And there we go, see the number string. And just highlight every number in between these tags here. And then just paste in that code. Okay, there's that code. Alright, there we go. I don't know why that's there. I don't know why it's not centered, but whatever. Let me just save this real quick. Save and FTP this one. Okay, I gotta refresh because alright there, I just click this button up here. We'll refresh all your files, and then this is FP capture page 1. And like I said, I'll name this one, like, I could do index 1, but I always do 01 because that will give me 90. I mean, that's crazy, but 01, that essentially that will give me 99 variations. So when I go 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, 09, then I get to 10, so it's just 10, so it's just a lot easier to do it that way. So click this, copy. Actually, I already know that. It's just check this out. So we'll go here. Okay, so it's Kevin / index 01 .html. There we go. Alright, video live. It's pretty slick, actually. Alright, there you go. That's how easy it is to do it and getting up and running, especially with Composer. This is all free. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll help you guys out. Alright, I'll see you guys later.